This is the last day of harvest for Small Vines Wines. We are pulling everything in. We've had some heat that was really bringing things along.
Go ahead and go!
Second day of picking at the Baranoff Vineyard. We've got some 667 here. Looks beautiful. I think we're just going to make some phenomenal wines this year. We have definitely had to hurry this year with the heats, kind of picking here and there and getting everything off in time. Not quite as bad as 2008, but definitely pushed harvest on us. We went from 22.5 up to 23.5, 23.9 in a matter of a day or so. So things are tasting incredibly good this year. Acids and pH seem to be in good balance. So I think we're going to have a really nice vintage in front of us.